Let's now take another example. Example 3. 53 times 24. Solution. First, we need to set up our numbers like this. 53 times 24. Next, we multiply with our first multiplier. Our first multiplier is 4. So we say 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. But we know unit can only take single digit number. So we write down 2 and take 1 to the upper left hand side. Next, we multiply 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. But remember, we carried 1 to the 10th side. So we need to add that 1 together with 20. So we have 20 plus 1. 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. We go to the left hand side and write down 21. We are through with the first multiplier. The next thing to do is to cancel this one. We don't need it anymore. Now we move to our second multiplier, which is 2. 2 is going to multiply 3 and then 5. However, before we start with the second multiplier, we need to leave a space here or write down 0. Now, we are ready to multiply with 2. So we say 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. We go under our multiplier, which in this case is 2, and write down 6. Next, we say 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. We go to the left of 6 and write down 10. It is time to add. So let's place our addition sign here. Now let's add. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 plus 0 is 2. We bring down 1. We are through. 53 times 24 is equal to 1,272. Example 4. 300 247 times 23. First thing first, we need to set up our numbers. 347 times 23. Now we've set up our number. Next, we need to use our multiplier to multiply our multiplier. As always, we will start from the right to the left. So, first in line is 3. We will use 3 to multiply our multiplier. 3 to multiply our multiplier. 7, 4, and 3. From right to left. Next, we shall use 2, our second multiplier, to multiply our multiplier, still from right to left. So, let's begin. 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. So, we write down 1 and carry 2 over to 4. Afterwards, it is time to multiply 3 times 4. 3 times 4 gives us 12. But remember, we carried 2 over, so we add 2 to 12. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Again, we write down 4 and carry 1 over. Then we cancel the 2 we brought over previously in order to avoid mistakes. Next, we multiply 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Now, we add what we carried over, which in this case is 1. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. We write down 10 and cancel 1 because we don't need 1 anymore. So let's cancel 1. We are done using 3, which is our first multiplier. Next, we will use 2. 2 is our second multiplier. However, before we start multiplying, we need to leave a space or write down 0. In this instance, we'll write down 0. Now, we multiply 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14. We go down and write down 4 and carry 1 over. Next, we say 2. Next, we say 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Remember, we carried 1 over, so we add it to 8. It becomes 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. We go down and write down 9. Then, we cancel our 1. We don't need it anymore. Lastly, we say 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So we write down 6. Now it is time to add. Let us add. Remember, we are starting from the right column. 1 plus 0 is 1. 4 plus 4 is 8. 0 plus 9 is 9. 1 plus 6 is 7. We have 7,981. This means 347 times 23 is equal to 7,981. This is the thing.